Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine. Today I will tell you about how we can get the CSC scholarship, complete guidelines for the beginners. I will also tell you about the application procedure. So first let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Yusuf Iqbal from Pakistan. I am a PhD student. If you want to get more information, you can contact on my WhatsApp or a WeChat or you can send me email. So first I will tell you about the CSC. What is CSC? CSC is a China Scholarship Council fully funded scholarship for the undergraduate, master and the PhD students. So benefits for the international students. If you are applying for the undergraduate or the bachelor program, then you can get the 2,500 RMB or a $375 per month, and your tuition fees is free and your accommodation is also free. If you are apply for the master student, then you will get the 3,000 RMB or a $450 per month, and your tuition fees is also free and your accommodation is also free. If you are apply for the doctor, then you will get the 3,500 RMB or 530 per month, and your tuition fees is free and your accommodation is also free. So these are the four steps I will tell you. The mandatory documents, first step. The second step is how we can get the acceptance letter. The third step, how we can apply on our CSC website, and the fourth is how we can apply on a university website. So first let's see the mandatory documents. The first one is the degree or the transcript. Please make sure degree and the transcripts are attested for the CSS scholarship. If it is not attested, then you can also apply. So if you are waiting for the coming convocation for the degree, then use provisional certificates whose degree not completed. Use the hope certificate. And the transcript, blank copy notarized. Please visit the lawyer or the notary public office to get the attested. So if you don't have the degree, then you can also use your provisional certificates and also your transcript. So this one is the first important. But when you will come in the China, then you must have a degree, or you can apply for the extension on a university website. You can set the email, then you need 1 month or a 2 month or a 3 month, they will give you extension for your degree. So you must have the transcript or a provisional certificate. First one, this document. The second one is the two recommendation letter. International students have to submit two recommendation letter from your teacher. Ask two of your teachers to give you a favor writing a recommendation letter. In recommendation letter, your teacher will tell you, will write something about your skills, that you are a very hardworking student and like this. So you can get from your university or your college. If you are apply for the undergraduate, then you can get from your college. If you are apply for the master student, then you can get from your last university. These are the second mandatory document. The third one is the IELTS or the HSK certificates. If you don't have the IELTS, then is no problem. If you have, it is a plus point. If you don't have, then it is optional. So but the English proficiency certificates is necessary. You can get from your university. English proficiency letter is a mandatory, and I will give you sample in the video in the link below. So the this one is that if you don't have the IELTS or HSK certificates, it's okay. If you have, then is a plus point. If you don't have, then it is optional. But English proficiency letter is necessary. So the fourth one is the physical medical examinations. Take my physical examination. I will also give the link in the below. You can download that this physical and medical examination form also. So the take my physical examination medical form to nearby government hospital and carry out the test which are the mentioned in the physical examination form. So the fifth one is the study plan or the research plan. You can write something about the China, why you wanna study in China, and you should also write something about your research, what you have did in the bachelor, what you have already did in the master. So you should write something, and also you should write something about your plan, the future plan, and what you wanna do in the future. So you can write your study plan. I mean, 2 pages is okay. The sixth one is the passport. Apply for the passport. If you don't have, then make sure that you have to time out the submission. When you want a submission for the CSA application, then you must have this passport. The seventh is the picture. Picture with blue or a white background is required. So the eighth is the police clearance certificate. Student can apply without police clearance certificate, but at the time of the visa processing, students have to provide the police clearance documents from his or her city police station to make sure you don't have any criminal record. So the list of the supporting documents, this one is the acceptance letter. If you don't have the acceptance letter, then is okay, this is the optional. Okay, if you have, then it is a plus point, and later I will tell you how you can get the acceptance letter. So this one is the second step, how you can get the acceptance letter. So you can open your Google and you can apply top 100, you can write the top 100 universities in China. So we can see there here so many links of, so we can open any link. So let's see, there is a university list, so you can open any university, and then like a Central South University, you can open this, and this one is the website you can see here. And then here is also English version and also the Chinese version, because we can't understand the Chinese, so we can also use the English version. You can see here English version. So here first we should see our school and department either in this university have or not. So let's see schools. Here you can see the schools. If you don't have your related your school, then you can search in another university. So like this mechanical and electrical, first you should go there, and then you can see the faculty. You can see here the faculty, open the faculty, and then you can open one like this, okay. And here you can see here the email, you can get the email. So from this, like this method, you can just open the website, and then you can go on a school or a faculty and your related school. Okay, then keep in mind you should get the email or of the your related research and also related your major. Okay, because some students they don't know about the related professor, they just find the faculty and they just send the email. So after that the professor didn't give you a reply and didn't give you acceptance letter. So this one is a problem. So first you should see your related department, and after that you should see your related research. Okay, in the research you can see the research direction here, you can study about the research direction in which he is studying. So and according to that you should write your study plan. Okay, I have already told you about the study plan, so you should write your study plan according to the direction of your supervisor of this teacher, and then you should send the email. You can get the email from here, and in the email you should write this email, and in the title you can write the request for the acceptance letter for the master or a PhD student. This one is the title, and you can get the email from here, and then you can just go in the email and you can write in the subject or a title, you can write the request for the acceptance letter. In the attached file you should write you should attach your CV, and you should also attach your study plan. These are so important, your CV and your study plan. And in the cover letter you should write something about yourself, where are you from, and about a little bit research, and just short, not like too much long. So in the cover letter you should write these things. So your then you should send the email, and then you will get, definitely you will get the acceptance letter. So this one is the second step. You have already learned how you can get the acceptance letter. I can repeat you again. So first you should open the website. You can search the university website, and then you just go in the school and the department, and then you just find the faculty of your related department, and then you can just open the faculty, and you can see the research direction of the each professor, and then you should send the email. You can get the email from there, and in the email you should write and the cover letter, your CV, and your study plan. So by doing this you will get, definitely you will get the acceptance letter. And now we should go on the third step, how you can apply on a CSC website. What is the CSC websites and how we can apply on a CSC website. So Application procedure for the CSC website. So CSC, you can see also the website is also on your screen, and I will also give you the link in the given below. And this one is the website for the CSC apply. On this website, I will give you the link in the below, and also it is showing on your screen. So first you should make a new account, create an account. So username, email, so you can choose the English, okay, and then you can just make your account. And when you will finish your account, then we will go on the next step. And then you can write your name, your email and password, and you can just submit. And after that you will get the email on your account. You can open your email, and there you will see the password, and you just verify. Write your email or a username and then password, and this account YIP, and sign in. And then you can see here, you can read this information. So there is a three types: type A, type B, type C. So type A is generally refers to scholarship responsible for the authorities except Chinese universities. Mostly it is from your country, like embassy. It directly connect with embassy. A type scholarship. Okay, the B type scholarships you can apply on a university. So like this C type, you can study by yourself here. So if you want to apply directly on a university website, like, then you can apply type B. And if you want to apply through the embassy, then you can choose the type A scholarship. So keep in mind, okay, if you want to apply through the embassy, then you will choose the type A. And if you want to apply by yourself on a university website and a CSC, then you can choose type B. So that's first step in this one. The second step is application online. Then you just go edit personal details, and here you can write your given name, surname you can see on your passport, and if you don't have Chinese name, then no need. Date of birth, gender, and your marital status, religion, date of birth, and this, like this you just put your information here. And then the next step is, and after that, when you will finish this step, the next step is the type A, type B, and the type C. So you can choose which type do you want to apply. If you want to apply again through the embassy, then you will choose this. If you want to apply on a university website by yourself, then without embassy, then you can apply on type B. So most of the student type B, and most of the universities have the maximum seats of the type B. So you can choose type B. And after that, you can just upload your all documents in the soft form. You should have all the documents in the soft form. So you can write your information, given name, username, Chinese name, and after that, and all this information you can write. And then write your information, and after and save. Here you are successfully. So now is the second step. So on the second step, your education level. So like bachelor, if you want to apply for the bachelor, then your highest level is a senior high school. If you want to apply for the master, then your maximum highest level is a bachelor. Well, I'm applying for like a doctor, then my level is a master in the field mechanical. Suppose you can choose by yourself which one is your major. Mechanical engineering. And here you can write your highest current education, and then you can write your other education, and like this. And if you have the work experience, you can also write here. After that, verify and save. So the next step is the contact information. So after finish these three steps, also your contact information, then finished. So you can see the first step is finished. Now is on the second step. Type, you can choose the type B, type, anyone you, which one do you want to choose. So the you can choose the type B is called type B application. Okay, add a new application. And here first step is the agency number. What is the agency number? You can find your related on which university you are applying. so you can find the agency number of that university. Okay, so keep in mind, agency number you can find on Google or any browser of that university. Just write the name of that university and write the like a central university, Shanghai University, anyone. You can just write the university name and then you can just write that agency number. You can find their agency number, then you will write the agency number here. Then Chinese proficiency, what is your level of the Chinese? If you don't have any, you didn't pass any HSK, it's okay, no problem. English level, then apply as. So if you want to apply for the master, then you should choose here for the master. Okay, and if you want to apply for the PhD, then you choose here for the PhD. So by doing this, so and after that just verify and save. Then these are the documents. So first is the ID photo, certificate of the highest education, and then is the transcript. Here is a you can degree, and here is a transcript of your highest education. Your study plan, you just upload here. When you will save this information, then this option will be open, then you can upload here. And then is a study plan, your recommendation letter first, the recommendation letter 2, then your passport, physical, and paper. If you have already published some paper, then you can upload here. If you don't have, then it's okay. And this one is for the art students, you don't need. And the other supporting documents like the acceptance letter, you can upload here, or any other supporting documents. And the Chinese language proficiency certificates, if you have, then you can also upload here. And English proficiency certificate is you can upload here. So these are the mandatory documents. So after finish this, after uploading all these documents, you can save in a PDF form. So after uploading, just submit this one. So on one account you can save 3 applications for the 3 universities, because now it's a new rule, you can apply only just for the 3 universities. So you can apply for the 3 universities, okay, by doing this. So thank you so much. I hope you can you have understand how you can apply on a CSC website. So let's see there again. So the last step is how you can apply on a university website. So you must need for the two application. One is on a CSC website, and the last one is the apply on a website also. You also need on apply university website. Now apply on the university application portal. Scan all the required documents above in the soft form along with the signed CSC application. And when you will finish your CSC application, then you can just download your CSC form and you can sign, and then you can just save in the PDF form and you can upload there also. Start the application as given below. Find the university online application portal and create your profiles, and you can apply there. So by doing this, I hope you will definitely will get the scholarship. So best of luck and thank you so much. And if you like this, then you can refer your friends. And I hope you will get definitely your scholarship. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye bye.